Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back with Uncle Chan channel Bali. So today I'm going to take you trip to Benoa. I don't know if you remember Benoa, but next to the toll road Mandara, as we can see the sign toll Bali Mandara. So if we go to the right side, that toll road take us to Nusa Dua, but I'm going to drive around to Benoa, which is go straight here. So if you want to go to this place or to this area, you have to pass this toll road, which you have to pay 4,000 for motorbike, and I have no idea how much you pay with the car. So in here you can pay a cash, 4,000 cash. If you have no idea how much is 4,000 cash, which is 40 cents. So that's the ticket entry to this place. And in this place we can see a lot of new buildings. I don't know what it is, but it looks like big things right in the center of the road. Not in the center, maybe in the junction. As we can see, that's a huge building. It looks like gonna be a big statue. And in this area we can see a lot of big pipe. I don't know what it is that for, but it's a big pipe. So big pipe, big hole. Probably for like oil or something. I don't know. I have no idea. It might, some of you knows what is that for. But today I'm going to check what's going on in this area. So I haven't been to this place, so that's why I make trip on this to this place. See what we can see in here. But this place is by the beach. But also you can see this benoa from the other side, which is from Serangan. You can check my other video. I went to Serangan as well, and I can see this place from Serangan. That's why I'm wondering what is that place. It looks like a lot of boats in here, but it is true. It's a lot of boats, a broken boat. Expired, maybe. Is that how you say expired? No, not expired. Food can be expired, but boat not expired. And yeah, we can see this is an old boat. I don't know who is this boat belong, but it's a broken. It's a lot in here. It looks like a exclusive. Is it exclusive executive boat? But my point is, it looks like they are really good design, good boat design. And still, as we can see, still a lot of them on the water, which is broken and is not working anymore. But also we can see like fishing boats in there, maybe local boat. So basically this place is they kept all the broken boats in here, and we can see a big boat. Let's check it out. What are those boats? And here is in here like a fishing boat. Some warung in there, coffee, Bali coffee from packet. Okay, let's we take a close to this pier. We can see a local boat, some people fishing. That is like I don't know what is that, what kind of boat and who that boat belong. So if you haven't been to this place, this is what it look like, benoa. And on my next video I'm going to take you to the fishing, the, how do you say it, like a big boat, but it's a fishing boat, but it's a big one, not the small one like we see in here, but this is like a proper one. That will be my next video. And you can see the white things in there. This is where they kept the rubbish, the plastic rubbish. I mean, it's all the rubbish from Kuta area, Denpasar, there where they kept the rubbish. And now it's become a hill. Okay, this boat, I don't know what is this. It's an old boat. I don't know if this is still working, but from the sign it's look like a belong to the government, like a rescue boat. So here where they dock, is it how you say dock the boat, is that correct? Dock, I guess so. Yeah, some people in there, but it looks like an old boat. I don't know if that working or not, but anyway, somewhere wrong in here. And let's check it out. We can see more boat. Some people fishing there. I don't know if they catch any fish, but let's hope they will catch some fish and they can bring home for dinner, lunch or breakfast. Yeah, we do eat fish for breakfast in Indonesia. Rice. We don't eat bread. We don't eat toast. The reason why, because we was born with rice and fish every time. I know it's a surprise, but also we are surprised to see like you guys eating bread in the morning. That we don't feel full when we eat bread in the morning. But anyway, we are not talking about food or breakfast. Just hoping that guy catch any fish and they can bring fish home. Otherwise he will get neck of his wife. Yeah, that's the entry, the gate entry. As we can see there, a yellow boat. This is not that's a familiar boat, like a bounty cruise ship. Yeah, it is. From the name is SAR, which is we call in Indonesia Tim SAR. So what do you call it, like accident, boat accident, people missing, this company will come and then search or help the accident. Yeah, hopefully I explained that correct. Yeah, I'm sorry for my broken English, but I will do my best. This is an army boat. Yeah, an army boat. And that yellow one is, if I'm not wrong, let's go check it out. It's called a bounty cruise ship. Oh, it is correct, bounty cruise ship. This is a like familiar boat. I guess it's only the rich people can go in there. I don't know. It's just my thought. I don't know. Alright, I guess that's it. That's it from this area. The pier in Benoa. So I will go to my I'll go a little bit further to the fishing boat.